Hello and welcome to the video where I'll show you how to take the casing off your GoPro 7. It's quite easy to do, but it's not obvious, especially if you don't have the instructions. So let me show you how. What we do is turn the camera so we can see the top, and you'll see this little arrow here. This is part of the casing. We want to get our thumb or our fingers underneath that, and we're going to kind of pull away at it. Almost like you're getting your finger underneath a can of Coke. So I'm going to use my thumb, and hopefully you can see this. Getting underneath, and you hear a click. You'll see kind of like a metal hinge here, and this black clip we just unclipped, push back. The casing then opens like so, and we can now push the camera through. Keep that bit out of the way. Like so. So it is now out of the casing. Now if we want to put the camera back into the case, we simply reverse that. So we open the case like so, grab the camera, pop it in, push the back up, so it's closed like so. This time we clip at the back first, and once that's taken grip, we push down and you get that solid reassuring clip, and your camera is now in its casing and ready to be attached and used. So I hope you found that useful. If you have, please subscribe. I've got some more GoPro tips coming out and some exciting videos which will be hitting your screen real soon. So thanks very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day.